Are you ready to experience the thrill of the Zontes 350X? This bike is a game-changer in the world of sports tourers, combining cutting-edge technology with a sleek design that turns heads wherever it goes. Let's dive into the exhilarating specifications that make the Zontes 350X a must-have for any motorcycle enthusiast. The heart of the Zontes 350X is its powerful 348cc, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine. This beast generates an impressive 39.33 PS at 9,500 RPM and a torque of 32.8 Nm at 7,500 RPM. With a 6-speed manual transmission, the bike delivers a smooth and exhilarating ride. The top speed of 150 km/h ensures you can enjoy the open road with confidence. The Zontes 350X boasts an edgy and aggressive design that stands out from the crowd. The keyless control system and unique alloy wheel design add a touch of sophistication. The bike's adjustable windshield and full LED lighting enhance both functionality and aesthetics. The Zontes 350X is sure to make a statement. Riding the Zontes 350X is a comfortable experience, thanks to its split-level seat and adjustable windscreen. The bike is equipped with a digital instrument console, trip meter, and odometer, making it easy to keep track of your journey. The dual-channel ABS ensures safety on every ride, while the tire pressure monitoring and Bluetooth connectivity add a modern touch. With a 15-liter fuel tank, the Zontes 350X offers a decent range, and its claimed mileage of 90 miles per UK gallon ensures you can go the distance without frequent stops. The bike's curb weight of 185 kg strikes a balance between stability and agility, making it perfect for both city rides and long adventures. The Zontes 350X features 3 20mm front disc brakes and 2 65mm rear disc brakes, providing powerful stopping capabilities. The inverted telescopic front suspension and adjustable rear monoshock ensure a smooth and controlled ride, even on rough terrain. The Zontes 350X is more than just a motorcycle. It's a statement of power, style, and innovation. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer to the world of motorcycles, the Zontes 350X promises an exhilarating experience that will leave you craving more. Get ready to unleash the power and feel the thrill of the ride. Regards, Madmick.